1. What is the primary purpose of the Bluebeam Studio feature? A. To create 3D models from 2D drawings. B. To enable real-time collaboration on PDF documents. C. To convert CAD files to PDF format. D. To compress large PDF files for email distribution. 2. Which tool in Bluebeam revu is used to measure linear distances on a drawing? A. Count tool. B. Length tool. C. Area tool. Cutout tool. 3. What is the correct sequence for creating a custom tool chest in Bluebeam revu? A. Markup, right-click, Add to Tool Chest, Name Tool Set. B. Tools, Tool Chest, New Tool Set, Add Markups. C. File, Create Tool Chest, Import Markups. D. View Tool Sets, Configure Custom Tools. 4. In Bluebeam revu, what does OCR stand for and what is its function? A. Optical Character Recognition, converts scanned text to searchable text. Organized Content Repository, stores frequently used markups. C. Optimized Compression Ratio, reduces file size. D. Online Collaboration Resource, enables cloud sharing. 5. Which feature allows you to extract specific pages from a PDF and create a new document? Split document. Extract pages. Delete pages. Decombine files. 6. What is the purpose of the markup list in Bluebeam revu? A. To display only measurement markups. B. To provide a sortable and filterable list of all markups in the document. C. To store templates for future projects. D. To list all users who have accessed the document. 7. Which tool would you use to take a snapshot of a portion of a PDF and place it in another location? Snapshot tool. Image tool. Cutout tool. Crop tool. 8. What is the maximum number of simultaneous users that can collaborate in a Bluebeam Studio session? Users. B. 25 users. S. Unlimited users. 9. In Bluebeam revu, what is a document compare feature used for? A. Comparing file sizes of different PDFs. B. Identifying differences between two versions of a drawing. C. Comparing markup counts across projects. D. Measuring dimensional accuracy. 10. Which keyboard shortcut opens the Markups panel in Bluebeam revu? Control plus M, Alternate plus M, plus K, Alternate plus K. 11. What is the purpose of using layers in Bluebeam revu? A. To organize markups into separate toggleable groups. B. To create 3D visualizations. To compress file sizes. D. To password protect sections of a document. 12. Which feature allows you to automatically populate form fields across multiple pages? A. Batch link. B. Automark. C. Form field duplication. D. Batch fill. What is a toolset in Bluebeam revu? A. A collection of measurement calibrations. B. A saved group of customized markup tools. C. A set of PDF compression settings. D. A group of users in a studio session. 14. How do you calibrate a scale on a drawing in Bluebeam revu? A. File, Calibrate, enter Scale. B. Right-click Measurement Tool, Calibrate, measure known distance, enter value. C. Tools, Scale, Auto-Calibrate. D. View Set Scale Input Ratio. 15. What is the purpose of the batch function in Bluebeam revu? A. To send multiple files via email. B. To apply actions to multiple PDF files simultaneously. C. To create backup copies of documents. To merge all open documents. 16. Which markup type would be most appropriate for highlighting a specific area requiring attention? A. Cloud markup. B. Highlighter markup. C. Callout markup. D. Flag markup. 17. What is the function of the flatten markups command? A. To remove all markups from a document. B. To make markups permanent and non-editable by converting them to PDF content. C. To compress markup file size. D. To align all markups to a grid. 18. In studio sessions, what is the difference between projects and sessions? A. Projects are temporary, sessions are permanent. B. Projects store files long-term, sessions are for real-time collaboration. C. Projects are free, sessions require subscription. D. Projects allow 10 users, sessions allow unlimited users. 19. Which tool would you use to count multiple instances of the same object on a drawing? Area tool, volume tool, count tool, deperimeter tool. 20. What format does Bluebeam Revu use to export markup data for use in spreadsheet applications? A. Extensible markup language. B. Comma-separated values. C. JavaScript object notation. Text file. 21. How can you create a hyperlink in a Bluebeam PDF to jump to another page in the same document? A. Insert hyperlink, select page. B. Right-click, create link, document, page. C. Markup link tool, click locations, properties. D. File, add navigation, page link. 22. What is the purpose of the status column in the markup list? A. To show file save status. B. To track markup review and approval workflow. C. To display markup creation date. D. To indicate markup layer assignment. 23. Which feature allows you to overlay two drawings to identify changes? A. Layer compare. B. Document compare with overlay. C. Visual difference tool. D. Change detection mode. 24. What is the maximum file size that can be uploaded to Bluebeam Studio? A. 100 megabytes. B. 500 megabytes. 1 gigabyte. D. 2 gigabyte. 25. Which tool is used to measure the area of an irregular shape on a drawing? A. Polygon area tool. B. Rectangle area tool. Count tool. D. Perimeter tool. 26. What does the Apply Scale option do when using measurement tools? A. Automatically calibrates the drawing. B. Uses the current calibration to provide real-world measurements. C. The PDF page. D. Adjusts zoom level for accuracy. 27. How do you create a custom markup with specific appearance properties for repeated use? A. Save markup as template. B. Add to tool chest with desired properties. C. Create markup style and preferences. Export as XML. 28. What is the purpose of the summary feature in Bluebeam Revu? A. To create a report of all markups in the document. B. To display document properties. C. To show file modification history. D. To list all users who have edited the file. 29. Which command would you use to combine multiple PDF files into a single document? A. Com files. C. Assemble documents. PDFs. 30. What is the punch tool used for in Bluebeam Revu? A. To create circular measurement markups. B. To manage punch list items and track construction issues. C. To delete portions of a PDF. D. To create stamped approval marks. 31. How can you password protect a PDF in Bluebeam Revu? A. File security, encrypt with password. B. Tools protect set password. C. Right-click, document security, password. D. Edit preferences, security settings. 32. What is the purpose of the profile manager in Bluebeam? A. To manage user account settings. B. To switch between different customized interface configurations. C. To track document revision history. D. To manage studio session participants. 33. Which feature allows you to search for text across multiple PDF files simultaneously? A. Advanced search. B. Batch search. C. Multifile find. D. Search window with all open documents option. 34. What does the auto-align feature do in studio sessions? A. Automatically organizes markups in rows. B. Aligns overlaid drawings to match reference points. C. Straightens crooked scanned documents. D. Arranges thumbnails in page order. 35. How do you export markup data to Microsoft Excel for quantification? A. Markup list, export Excel format. Export data CSV. C. Tools, data export, spreadsheet. D. Right-click markup list, export to Excel. 36. What is the purpose of using the snapshot tool with the scale option? A. To capture and paste images at a specific scale. Resize the PDF page. C. To calibrate drawings automatically. D. To create thumbnail previews. 37. In Bluebeam Revu, what is a digital signature used for? A. To add decorative stamps to documents. B. To legally authenticate and verify document integrity. C. To create custom markup symbols. To compress file size. 38. Which panel displays all the pages in a PDF document as thumbnails? A. Navigation panel. B. Thumbnails panel. Pages panel. D. Document panel. 39. What is the batch link feature used for? A. To create hyperlinks between multiple documents. B. To link related markups together. C. To connect measurement markups for automatic calculations. D. To synchronize studio projects. 40. How can you restore a previous version of a document in studio projects? A. File, revert to saved. B. Right-click File, Version History, select version. C. Tools, Document Recovery, choose Backup. D. Edit, undo all changes.